Step inside the Sun Princess, join Hayden and Mark as we take you on a walking tour of all the spots we didn't feature in our 12-part mini-series of our 2025 cruise from Istanbul to Rome via the Greek islands. Even though we mostly dined in the Sanctuary restaurant and other speciality spots, because yes, we paid extra for the fancy life, we still wanted to show you the rest of the ship. The pool deck, perfect for soaking or people watching, the dome, Instagram alert, the American diner, the buffet, the Eclipse restaurant, and all the bars where you can grab a cocktail or two without judgment. Filmed over several days, you'll see us in different outfits because apparently one outfit per cruise just isn't enough. Come with us as we explore the rest of the ship. No fancy dining required, just fun, laughs and a behind the scenes look at all the places we didn't cover off in our main series. Have fun!
So we've just left the Sanctuary Club on deck 18. We're going to do a walk round of the ship now so that you can see what it's like on a sea day. So we're going to start on deck 18. Come follow us.
Welcome to the pool deck, the heart of daytime fun on the Sun Princess. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, sip a cocktail, or just pretend you're in a music video, this is the place to do it. Check out the loungers, prime real estate for those serious about their tan, or serious people watching. From the poolside bars, you can grab everything from a frozen margarita to a cheeky mocktail, because hydration is important, obviously. And don't forget the vibe. Laughter, splashing, and the occasional cannonball echoing across the deck. It's chaotic, it's fun, it's quintessential cruise life. If you're feeling brave, you can even join the pool games or just stroll around to admire the view of the ocean. Endless water, endless possibilities, and zero Wi-Fi interruptions. Oh, bliss. So grab your shades, maybe a towel, and let's wander a little further to see what other treasures the Sun Princess has in store. Now we're stepping into the dome, the crown jewel of the Sun Princess. Just look at this ceiling. Honestly, it's so impressive. You might find yourself staring at it for a solid 5 minutes, or, let's be honest, an hour, wondering if it's bigger than your apartment back home. This is where elegance meets cruise life. Perfect for a leisurely stroll, people watching, or pretending you're in one of those fancy hotel lobbies. And don't be surprised if you get a little turned around. It's easy to forget which way you came from with all these stunning staircases, arches and shimmering details. But that's part of the fun. Whether you're exploring or just soaking in the views, the dome is guaranteed to make you feel like you're floating in a crystal palace. Let's keep moving and see what other surprises the ship has in store.
So, inspired by the terraces of Santorini, apparently.
As we step out of the dome, you'll notice that the vibe shifts a little. The grandeur of the dome gives way to another amazing chill-out zone, the Sea View Bar and Terrace. This area feels like the perfect breezy lounge spot on a sunny afternoon. With glass shade covers overhead, you're protected from any unexpected weather, yet still feel completely connected to the open ocean views. It's terraced, so there's plenty of room to relax without feeling like you're crammed into one clustered lounge area. Just beyond the bar you'll spot whirlpools and another pool that links the inside of the dome with the fresh sea air outside. A clever indoor-outdoor design that lets you float between chilled out lounging and a refreshing dip without missing a moment of that ocean backdrop. So whether you're here for a quiet moment with a drink or a place to enjoy the sun with friends, this terrace area is just one more fantastic reason the Sun Princess gives you so many great places to unwind at sea. Just a little further aft from the Sea View Bar is the Sun Bar, one of our favourite hangouts on Deck 15. With its prime view of the Ocean Air cinema screen and endless ocean ahead, it's honestly one of the best spots on the ship to grab an ice-cold beer and chill while watching the waves roll by. Especially if there's a movie or sunset showing up on that big screen. Once you've soaked in those views and maybe had a cheeky drink or two, we're headed down one level to Deck 14 to check out some of the delicious food outlets nearby. From casual bites to more substantial choices, this area is perfect for grabbing something tasty between activities, and it perfectly bridges the relaxed bar vibes with the ship's culinary scene. Next up, we wandered over to Lido Tacos, home of some of the most amazing pizzas on the ship. Seriously, these slices are so good, you'll be tempted to have one for every meal. Right nearby is the Lido Grill, which is perfect if you're craving classic cruise favourites like juicy burgers, hot dogs or fresh salads. With plenty of seating and casual vibes, this area is great for a quick bite between pool dips, drinks or just people watching on the Lido deck. Just a bit further along from the Lido food area, you'll find the Mix Bar, a lively pool deck cocktail lounge where you can grab a refreshing margarita, a tropical twist or a classic cocktail while you enjoy the sunshine and ocean views. Skilled mixologists are shaking up drinks like dirty bananas, 24K margaritas and other fun sips, perfect for a cruise day chill out spot. And right nearby is the ship's ice cream and gelato spot, where you can treat yourself to a scoop or two of something sweet, perfect after a day of exploring and wandering the decks. Whether you're craving rich gelato flavours or a classic ice cream cone, it's a cool little indulgence before we head back up to deck 15 and make our way back to our ultimate sanctuary of calm and cocktails at the Sanctuary Club. And finally, we made our way back to our little slice of heaven, the Sanctuary Club. Using our medallion, we unlocked access to this private retreat, which is exclusively for guests staying in Sanctuary Collection suites or staterooms. It's also a 16 years and over space, so the moment you step inside, the energy completely shifts. Calmer, quieter, and far more relaxed. From the plush lounges and attentive service to the uninterrupted ocean views, the Sanctuary Club really feels like having your own private hideaway at sea. After wandering all over the ship, this is where we love to end the day. Cocktail in hand, feet up, and absolutely zero intention of leaving anytime soon. And that wraps up this walking tour around the Sun Princess. From pools and bars to domes, decks, and finally our happy place back in the sanctuary. But we're not done yet, because in the next episode we're continuing our wander inside the ship to check out all the dining options we didn't actually eat at, mainly because we spent most of our time living our best lives in the sanctuary restaurant and the specialty restaurants. We'll take you through the buffet, the American diner and the Eclipse restaurant, show you what's on offer, what caught our eye, and where you might end up if you don't accidentally upgrade to the sanctuary like we did. So make sure you've subscribed, grab a snack or a cocktail, and we'll see you in the next episode of Hayden and Mark's Travels, where we continue exploring the Sun Princess one deck at a time.